are on the Gude stand with Mr. Gude for the RGB tours. Hello, Mr. Gude.
Hello, Ben.
He does have a first name, but why bother when you have the face and the name of the brand in front of you? You may as well use it to its nth degree. Hello, sir. Has it been a good show?
Yes, great show here at ISE. Can't complain.
That's perfect. Should we cut it there? No, let's talk about power.
Yes.
That's the whole point of this thing, isn't it?
Here we go. Mr. Power is here. So let's start with the first product. It's our 2-port PDU. You can see it here on the picture. It fits nice behind the TV. It's one of the slimmest PDU in the market. And we have surge protection and power metering in this little box. And as you can see, you can easily mount it with the mounting ears on it. And yeah, it's ready for every TV installation.
Cool little device for anyone doing any media rooms, any TV work. You'd be silly not to put them in there, because let's be honest, what goes all wrong all the time in the UK?
The Skybox.
The Skybox! So get one and save your life. Done.
Yes.
On to the next one.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second. It's the same, but bigger.
Yes, here we go.
There's going
It's
to be a theme here.
It's a 4-port PDU. You can also put it behind the TV or in small furnitures. You can hide it or in the ceiling where you want it. And it's a 4-port PDU. Same functions as this one, but it has a steel chassis and yes, 4 switching outlets. Again, I forgot to say that, but we have Crestron, home drivers, Savan drivers, Control 4 drivers, and so on. So you choose what you like to have and then just get one and play with it and plug and play.
Lots of integrations here, which a lot of you custom installers out there always ask for and super important. And there's lots of feedback from those types of things, isn't there? So it's a useful thing to have on your project.
Yes, for sure. If you want to have a nice service, then you just put that in and just press a button, and then it will power cycle the whole installation or the Skybox. And yeah, you don't have to drive out to your customer. You just press a button.
Where next then, sir? We on to the bigger ones?
Yeah.
We're moving over here?
For sure, yes.
Come on then, let's
go.
go. I'll go there. You go that side, I'll go this side.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is that your your chocolate side? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good.
So we're going bigger again?
Yeah, now we are going to the biggest.
Okay.
That's the biggest here. Yeah. So that's one of our biggest PDUs because it has 21 switchable outlets on one RECU. And the nice cool thing about it, it's with different voltages. So 12 and 24 volts and 5 volts. And you do not need any power supply anymore with that unit. You can just plug in it with a cable and it works.
This is like the perfect for a custom installer for a rack, isn't it?
Yes, so you have a lot of power supplies or installation with these bulky, shitty power supplies. Just throw them away, use that one, and yeah, you will be a lucky man, I tell you, or lucky woman.
So with these, in terms of the low voltage side of things, can they be rebooted too?
Yes. All single outlets can be power cycled, or you can switch them. We always have one command for power cycling, so you can choose, then it will turn off, and then you can choose the delay. So per default it's 10 seconds, and then it's yeah, you turn it off, and then after 10 seconds it turns on again.
Okay, so I'm not going to knock any product category out there, promise. Everyone's looking at me in such worry, it's unreal. But the biggest thing that you get problems with after Skyboxes is things like matrices, balance, and 12 volt and 24 volts, being able to actually reboot those, amazing. Like, again, every rack should have one of these in. That's just no-brainer. Next, go on to the next one.
Then let's start with another Flagship product. It's our 8 outlet version, so we have it standard with ISE.
Okay.
But we also have it for Europe and with UK. With the UK 3-pin plugs, we are the only one in the market who can manufacture this, and so it's easy plug and play because you do not need any adapters or cable management. You can just plug it in and it works.
Okay.
Again, we have the same features as the other ones, and yeah.
Still all got the same drivers.
Yes.
And basically same driver for every
yes.
product, but just
100%.
different sizes of what things can be rebooted.
Yes. Again, surge protection in it, power metering in it. Yes.
Brilliant. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else for anything else?
Let's go there.
Okay.
To the big guys.
You, sir.
To the big guys. So yeah, we have 30 outlets for big racks or 20 outlets, one phase. also surge protected again and power metering, and so yeah, you can decide if you want to have the horizontal or the vertical ones. Yeah, you can choose. It's up to you. But what I also want to point out, we have sensor ports on each PDU. 2 sensor ports to meter temperature and humidity. And with this little guy, you can then put thresholds in. So if the temperature is too high, then it will send you an alert. And yeah, you can also put it in the control systems.
Automatically reboot things.
Yes, automatically reboot things. Power, switch them on, turn them off. Yeah.
2 questions.
Yeah.
Question 1. Is there a web browser to see these remotely?
Yes. Always. We have always IP control, so all the PDUs have a web server, yes.
Question 2.
Yes.
Sir, what are your warranties like on your PDUs?
We have a 2-year standard warranty, but you are able to extend it to 5 years if you like, so yeah.
And where are your products made, sir?
In Germany.
In Germany, where they make things well. So, essentially, we're talking about a PDU that's going to last long, they'll warrant it for long, and you can look after it from wherever you are in the world. I mean,
Yep.
it's as easy as that.
It is,
If you're not buying Gude, you're not buying right.
Here we go.
There's a t-shirt. You can have that.
Yeah, you can get caps.
Yeah, exactly. But as always, you are a true gentleman. Thank you for showing me around
Thank
your
you.
stand. And we'll catch up with Dan before we leave. So Dan,
Yes.
tell me a little bit about where we can find out more about Gude.
Yeah, so we're more than happy to help with any more information you need on Gude. It's all in stock in the UK. Again, we have it on show at the demo facility in West London. I think that's all I have to say, Ben. Is there anything you want to add at all?
No, not at all.
No.
I mean, it's been a fantastic stand tour. There's
Yeah.
lots to learn here. I think, as I say, if you're a custom installer in the UK market, if you're not putting IP PDUs in, you
Yeah.
are cracker-lackers.
Yeah.
So you need to get in touch with RGB
Yep, absolutely.
and find out more.
Yeah, speak to them.
Thanks, mate. Bye.
Cheers.